From INIU, the Safe Fast Charge Pro. Experience the safest charging with over 38 million global users. At INIU, we use only the highest grade materials, so we do have the confidence to provide an industry-leading 3 years warranty. 3.1A Fast Charge. Engineered from the advanced superconductivity copper wires for a reliable 3.1A fast speed. Fully support Quick Charge 3.0 to incredibly revive your phone up to 90% in 1 hour. A cable for life. Engineered with a FLYWEAVE nylon exterior to resist heavy tear and wear from the outside and a precision-designed interior to withstand thousands upon thousands of strains. One package, 3 cables. Meet all your needs everywhere. -1.6 feet for on the go, 6.6 feet for office and home. What you get: 1.6 feet USB-C cable 1, 6.6 feet USB-C cable 2, cable strap 3, user manual 1, 30 days money back, industry-leading 3 years warranty and lifetime technical support. Top reviews from the United States. I was shocked. I didn't hold my hopes very high since every time I purchase new chargers they do not last long with breaking, bending, or the port section falling off. These have been super sturdy and I have had 0 issues. I also like the little light so I can find the charger when it's dark.